Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the ABS brake light fuses are located, you have up to 3 of them, where you can find them, where you can buy guys cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well, that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. So the ABS brake light fuse guys, where you can expect to find these fuses, we will demonstrate on the generation Ford Escape here. You, by the way guys, have up to 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV. This is a pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version, it should work for both. Today we'll be working in just one fuse box that's under the hood. Go ahead, open your hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under this cover here. Once you open it, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout that looks just like this one right here. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now guys, the ABS brake light fuses, they're actually hidden, but if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. The fuses that we're looking at, it's actually 3 different fuses. We're talking about fuse number 7, 8 and 19. And if you look, you have 2 relays here next to those relays. In that, under that cover, that's where you have the 3 fuses. They're for the ABS traction control system, that's why they're enclosed, okay, right there. But open it and underneath you'll find guys, okay, 3 fuses for the ABS brake light system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.